So back in 2016, I was talking to a bunch of students that were in the School of Entrepreneurship at our university. And we found something that was really interesting. We have 4 programs in our school, but we realized that none of them collaborate. None of them, communicate with each other, and nothing really special, magical happens between it. And we wanted to do something about that. So we decided, why don't we make it as collaborative as possible? So we combined all of them together and tried to build a brand new version of entrepreneurship on our campus. So we did that. We started planning, prepping, go to anybody that we knew that would support us, give us any pedagogical information that we could run through, any pieces of signage and support. And we set a date for talking to the board of directors for the College of Business. So we had our date, we had our people, and we went. And holy crap, they actually liked it. They went, we like it so much that we want you to speak directly to your deans and vice deans later today to sell it to everyone. We went, perfect. We went to the meeting, we sold it as well as we could. However, we were told, unfortunately, that it was not going to happen, ever. Our program was cut in half. It was taken from us. Everything, all the work, all the pride, everything that we'd worked on was gone. There were no potholes to fill. There were no fixes to be had. It was gone. I personally was devastated. I had no idea where to go, no reasoning to come from, which was really, really difficult. But the most difficult part, which is on screen, is I had to tell myself that I had to let my dream die, which hurt a lot. So I took a long step back and really convened with myself, and I went, I want to just help students do what they can. And I realized upon the statement of sometimes, or some things, don't always have to work. And through that process, just helping students, making my way through, just continuing to go, I also came upon another phrase, which was, you don't always have to make something, which is an interesting concept. You can go about things a bit different rather than just create something. Just think differently on impact. And the best way that I found is I needed to find the best way I made impact. And that really stuck with me when I found that statement. And it really took a while to get there. So through that process of helping students, I decided I wanted to become even more involved. So I became a mentor through the UIF program. I've helped 8 campuses across the world do amazing things that I'm incredibly proud of them for. It's their work that I'm proud of. But especially from that is where I'm at now. From that work, I became a UI guide, working with 2 incredible campuses that are here today, by the way, that I'm able to give them everything I possibly can, every nook of experience, my failures, my forthcomings, my planning, everything I can to make them the best them they can be, which is incredible. I absolutely love it, and I'm honored to be able to do that through this program. And one thing that I really want you to do, to really consider, is your role as UIF fellows is what is impact, and what is impact to you, and what does it look like? But most importantly, I would like you to consider this. How might we help others make impact? Thank you.